WP InSpot provides 5 zone types: text, entity, nested workspace, link, and empty. Each type controls what happens when a visitor interacts with a zone. In this workspace, each zone uses a different type. We will look at its configuration first, and then check how it behaves on the front end. The text type lets you add custom content directly to a zone. In this example, the bedroom zone contains an image, a heading, and a short description. Its content display is set to pop up, so the complete content appears when the visitor selects the room. Entity connects a zone with existing WordPress content. Here the icon is linked to the apartment A12 entry. Its appearance is controlled by a display template, which defines what content is shown and how it is arranged. We will cover display templates in a separate tutorial. On the front end, visitors see the apartment image, title, description, and a Read More button leading to the full page. Nested Workspace connects one interactive image with another. The living room polygon opens a separate workspace containing a more detailed view of the room. This type is useful for moving from an overview to a specific area without breaking the interactive experience. The link type sends visitors directly to a selected URL. In this example, the Visit Our Website zone links to WPInSpot.com. It can point to another page on the same website or to an external destination. Empty does not open additional content or perform an action. It displays only the zone label in a small tooltip. This makes it useful for naming details without adding a pop-up or destination. Use text for custom content, entity for existing WordPress entries, and nested workspace to connect interactive views. Use link when a zone should open a URL, and empty when you only need a simple tooltip. Choose the type based on what the visitor should see or do after interacting with the zone. Visit WPInSpot.com for more tutorials, documentation, and practical examples.